This tutorial will give you simple instructions on how to set up a new Trust Wallet for Android users. Go to your Google Play Store and search and download the Trust Wallet app. The Trust Wallet app is also available for iPhone, iPad and desktop users. Have a pen and paper ready, quick access to your state government ID and access to your email to complete this setup process. OK, let's get started. You'll want to click on the Create a New Wallet option and then select Backup Manually to receive a series of 12 words that make up a seed phrase, also known as secret or recovery phrase. Write down your seed phrase and store it in a secure offline location. Confirm your seed phrase to continue. Now that you have your wallet set up, you'll need to have your bank card ready to add funds. Click the Buy button and select the Ethereum network. Enter the amount of Ethereum you would like to purchase. There is a $50 minimum. Here you can also change the provider to assist with this transaction if you prefer. Depending on the crypto provider you choose, you may need to verify your identity. Follow the process as necessary. Some banks may reach out to you by email or text to make sure you would like to make this transaction. Once this purchase is confirmed, you'll be able to see your Ethereum amount in your wallet and you're good to go.